A is for apple, crunchy and red. B is for ball, bouncing ahead. C is for cat, with a purr so sweet. D is for dog, with happy feet. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming away. G is for giraffe, tall and high. H is for horse, galloping by. I is for igloo, cold and white. J is for juice, yummy and bright. K is for kite, flying in the sky. L is for lion, hear it roar, oh my! M is for monkey, swinging from a tree. N is for nest, where the birds flee. O is for owl, awake at night. P is for penguin, waddling in delight. Q is for queen, with a crown so fine. R is for rabbit, hopping in line. S is for sun, shining above. T is for tiger, full of love. U is for umbrella, keeping dry. V is for van, driving by. W is for whale, big in the sea. X is for xylophone, play with me. Y is for yo-yo, spinning around. Z is for zebra, stripes all around.